In this video, I will be guiding you through how to get music for Instagram Reels if you have business account. So I have a business account over here, and how do you actually get music for your Reels? So this is really simple. So what we can do it, first you need to head over to your story section, and there you need to click on this plus icon and click on this phone and click on anything that you like. Let's just say this is your create section. You want to add your stuff in here and you want to add a music or stuff. So you can see in here we have reel, and by the way you can head over to your audio section and there you can simply search for your music. So you can search in here anything that you like, and yeah, so I suggest you simply use this search bar for the music that you are willing for your reel. Let's just say we have Little Baby. Yeah, Pretty Little Baby. We can use this or we can use any of the other music. So that's how simple it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.